Did you know there are reptiles so rare, most people have never even heard of them? Far from the familiar faces of our gardens and zoos, a hidden world of scaled creatures exists, clinging to life in the most remote corners of our planet. These are not creatures of myth or legend, but living, breathing animals whose survival hangs by the very thinnest of threads. Their stories are ones of incredible adaptation, unique beauty, a desperate struggle against extinction. Today, we shall embark on a journey to uncover some of the world's most elusive snakes and lizards, revealing the extraordinary secrets of their existence. Cloud-wreathed mountains of Mexico, dense, humid jungles of Southeast Asia, unique ecosystems of Madagascar. Each creature we encounter is a masterpiece of evolution, a living jewel that few have ever had the privilege to witness. Our journey begins on a tiny windswept islet off the coast of St. Lucia, a sanctuary that is the last bastion for what is tragically known as the world's rarest snake. This is the home of the St. Lucia racer, a small, non-venomous serpent whose entire global population could fit comfortably in a single room. With fewer than 20 individuals remaining in the wild, every single snake is critically important. High in the mist-shrouded cloud forests of Mexico, Veracruz Puebla lives a lizard of almost mythical beauty. This is the arboreal alligator lizard, a creature so vibrant it seems to have been painted by an artist's brush. Turquoise and emerald green, punctuated by brilliant yellow around its eyes, giving it an alert, almost quizzical expression. This striking coloration is not merely for show. It provides perfect camouflage amongst the mosses and bromeliads of its treetop home, allowing it to blend seamlessly into the verdant canopy. Deep within the humid, swampy jungles of Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia, a creature of legend slithers through the night. It is known as the dragon snake, and one look is enough to understand why. Its body is not smooth like most snakes, but covered in 3 prominent ridges of large, keeled scales, giving it the appearance of a mythical dragon from ancient folklore. Its head is distinct from its slender neck, and its dark, almost black coloration adds to its enigmatic and formidable appearance. This is not a creature of fantasy, but a real living reptile cloaked in mystery. The dragon snake, or Xenodermis javanicus, is a semi-fossorial species, meaning it spends much of its life hidden. By day it burrows into the soft muddy soil or hides beneath leaf litter and hides beneath fallen logs near streams' rice paddies. It is only under the cover of darkness that it emerges to hunt its preferred prey, frogs. A fascinating and peculiar trait of this snake is its unusual stiffness. When picked up, its body becomes rigid, almost like a stick, a unique defensive behavior that is still not fully understood by herpetologists. On the extraordinary island of Madagascar, a land of unparalleled biodiversity, evolution has produced some of its most peculiar and wonderful creations. Among them is a snake that has mastered the art of camouflage to a degree that is almost unbelievable. This is the Madagascar leaf-nosed snake, Langaha madagascariensis. Its most striking feature is, of course, its nose. It possesses a bizarre and intricate nasal appendage, which differs dramatically between the sexes. The male's is long and pointed like a sharp spear. The female's is more elaborate, flattened, serrated, perfectly mimicking a dried, jagged leaf. This remarkable snake is an ambush predator, relying entirely on its disguise to hunt. In the sun-scorched, rocky outcrops of South Africa's succulent Karoo region lives a lizard with one of the most remarkable defense mechanisms in the animal kingdom. This is the armadillo-girdled lizard. When threatened, this extraordinary reptile does not simply run and hide. Instead, it curls into a tight ball, grabbing its tail in its mouth. This action presents a formidable ring of thick, spiny scales to any potential predator, such as a mongoose or a bird of prey. Its soft, vulnerable underbelly is completely protected, transforming the lizard into a near-impenetrable spiky sphere. This unique defensive posture, which gives the lizard its name, is a brilliant solution to surviving in a harsh environment with limited places to hide. These lizards are also highly social, a rare trait among reptiles. They live in groups, often sheltering together in the same rock crevices. They are foragers, feeding on insects, particularly termites, and their slow, deliberate movements belie the speed and effectiveness of their armadillo-like defense. Sadly, this incredible creature's uniqueness has also become its downfall. The armadillo-girdled lizard is highly sought after in the illegal pet trade due to its fascinating appearance and behavior. In the leaf litter of Southeast Asia's lowland forests, there is a flash of color so intense it seems almost electric. This is the blue coral snake, one of the most visually stunning and dangerously venomous snakes in the world. Its body is a deep iridescent blue or black, dramatically bisected by a brilliant fiery red stripe on its head, on its tail, and on its belly. This vivid coloration, known as aposematism, is not for camouflage, but is a bold warning to any potential predators. I am dangerous, stay away. And it is a warning that should be heeded. The blue coral snake possesses a highly unusual and potent venom. Unlike most snake venoms that take time to act, this one is instantly effective. It targets a specific type of sodium channel in the nerves, causing the victim's nerves to fire all at once. The result is an immediate, massive spasm, spastic paralysis throughout the body. Our final subject takes us underground into the sandy soils of Mexico's Baja California Peninsula to meet a creature that seems to defy classification. Is it a snake? Is it a lizard? Is it a worm? This is the Mexican mole lizard, or Bipes, a member of a strange group of reptiles known as amphisbaenians or worm lizards. Its long, pink, segmented body looks remarkably like a large earthworm, but at its front end are two surprisingly stout, five-toed forelimbs, complete with sharp claws. It has no hind limbs at all. This bizarre anatomy is a perfect adaptation for a life spent almost entirely underground. And so, our journey into the hidden kingdom of rare reptiles comes to an end. From the last few St. Lucia racers clinging to existence on a single islet to the subterranean mystery of the Mexican mole lizard, we have witnessed but a fraction of the planet's secret biodiversity. These creatures, with their incredible adaptations and surreal beauty, are a vital part of the rich tapestry of life on Earth. Their rarity is often a direct result of human impact, habitat loss, invasive species, and the illegal wildlife trade. Their stories are not just fascinating tales, they are urgent calls to action. The survival of these species depends on our awareness, our respect, and our willingness to protect the wild places they call home. Each one is an irreplaceable product of millions of years of evolution, a living wonder that enriches our world. Have you ever heard of any of these remarkable snakes and lizards before today? Perhaps you know of another incredibly rare reptile that we didn't mention. I would be fascinated to read your thoughts, so please share them in the comments below. Your engagement helps bring more attention to these incredible animals. If this glimpse into the world's most elusive reptiles has sparked your curiosity and wonder, please consider showing your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell, so you won't miss our future explorations into the marvels of the natural world. I must also mention that all visuals and music in this video are royalty-free and safe for monetization. Thank you for joining me on this extraordinary adventure. Until next time, stay curious.